Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to become Webflow certified. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, it's crucial to master Webflow itself. Start by exploring Webflow University, which offers a wide range of free courses designed to take you from a beginner all the way to mastering advanced features. Begin with the basics and gradually work your way up. Familiarize yourself with the platform's interface, learn essential design principles, and gain experience building different types of websites. The next step is to create a portfolio that showcases your Webflow skills. Building a variety of projects, like e-commerce sites, blogs, and corporate websites, will highlight your versatility and creativity. Each project should reflect your ability to meet the needs of different users and business goals. Pay close attention to details such as responsive design, user experience, and unique functionality. Certification with Webflow involves passing a series of exams that truly test your knowledge and skills. These exams, proctored by Certiverse, require a minimum score of 88% to pass, so thorough preparation is essential. Start by reviewing the exam guides provided by Webflow, which outline the key topics and skills you'll need to demonstrate. Creating a study plan can help you focus on areas that need improvement. Also, make sure you're familiar with the exam format and technical requirements to avoid any issues on test day. When you feel confident, schedule your exam and approach it with focus and seriousness, as you'll only have a limited number of attempts. And that's it. So that is how you can become Webflow certified. So that's all for this video. Thanks.